Welcome to M365 Professional. Here's how to create a new email in the new Outlook for Windows. From your inbox, select New Mail. You can also start an email from your calendar by selecting New Event Mail. Type in your recipients, then add a subject. Write your message and select Send. To respond to a message, open the message. Select whether to reply all or forward, and write your response. You can also respond directly from the ribbon. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. M365 Professional. Check out more content here.